It's here. (1,664 pixels, over 150 scenes, dynamic music modes, AI art, and so much more. The Govee Gaming Pixel Light. Hey, it's Copper Carver. We finally have it. The Govee Gaming Pixel Light. Let's unbox this. Let's test out the features and see if it lives up to the hype. So right away, just so you know, there is this version and then there is a smaller version of the gaming light. This one has 1664 LEDs. It moves at 30 frames a second. It's really bright, and let's dive in. I'm just really excited to see the scenes. You know, with most of Govee lights, you know, they have the AI system where you can make it do different types of lights and stuff like that. But I feel like this is the first one to really capture the AI, because you can ask it to make just about any image. First thing on top of the box, we have the user manual right here. All their products have this on it. It goes over the app, how to connect it. It goes how to mount it. This can be mounted. It also comes with a little stand, so you can just set it on your desk or wherever you want. Right here. This just goes over support emails, their socials, different things like that. Right here, it is supported by DreamView, so this shows how you can connect it to their other devices to have the lights kind of match up with everything else. In this box, I'm guessing we have the cables and the plugs and everything like that. I hope it's long enough, and I hope it's black. We'll see what color it is. Okay, so here is the actual stand. I'll let y'all take a closer look to this later, that you set it on and put it on. So that's real neat. I like the design of it. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, then we have this right here is the wall mount. Okay, so a little hole for the screw and everything right there. I'm assuming that this is the stuff to mount it on the wall with. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, it's just the stuff for the wall mount, some screws and things like that. And then let's see the plug. Yes, it is black. Nice. Okay, so we have the actual plug right here. Sadly, it's not USB powered. I wish it was. Maybe on the 2 or the S version, whenever they announce it, it'll actually have a USB plugged one. Because I imagine a lot of people are gonna have this around their computers. Plus, if you have a lot of Govee products like me, outlets are hard to come by these days. But there's a plug. It's decent length. I mean, looking at it, I'd say it's like, wow. Like 6 feet long, give or take. About 6 foot. All right, and the moment we've all been waiting for, the Pixel Light itself. Remove this. Ooh, I want to be so careful. Ooh. Oh. Here we go. Right here. Here is the Pixel Light. Nice, look at that. It's smaller than I thought, even though this is the bigger version. It's decently thin. I don't know if that's not blurry for y'all. Wow, okay, it does have a screen protector on it right away, so that's nice. Wow, okay. It's got some buttons on top. I'll let y'all take a closer look. It has on and off, volume, M. I don't know if M is for mode or mute, and then we have a little person with a heart. Maybe you can save your favorite scenes in there and just scroll through them. So let's put this on here real quick. Ooh. And let y'all take a closer look. So I went ahead and grabbed my ruler. We're gonna give the measurements for this. So lengthwise on the top, it is about 10.5 inches long. And then here on the mount, kind of without the mount, give or take, it's about 6 inches tall. Yeah, this is pretty lightweight. This is very, very lightweight. I mean, it feels heavy duty and like it is expensive, but Still looks nice. I know a lot of people have been talking online about the design of the sides. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't really like it. Some people are like, I love it. Looking at it in person, I like it more than I thought. So that is nice. But you know what? Let's go ahead and turn this on. We'll connect it to the app and then we'll take a look at the scenes, which is what I'm most excited for. Okay, so I actually dimmed the lights and now let's plug this in and see what the first scene it goes to. I know in a lot of Govee products, the first thing it goes to is rainbow mode, but with this being a pixel screen, you know, showing images, we'll see what it says. Let's plug this sucker in. There we go. Govee. Okay, wow, there we go. It says Govee. Is it gonna do anything else? Right away, I can tell you it looks pretty good. Okay. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Okay, it had a little sound effect turning on. Look at this. Woo, let me move this so I can see it and y'all can see it. I want to see this sucker. I kind of love it already. You know what, let's just click on one of the buttons. I'm gonna click on the M. See what it does? Oh, wow. Okay, so there's a clock with some music. Interesting. Okay, I guess I have to, once I connect to the app, I can set the time. That's probably the time and temperature. What's this? The Bitcoin. I think I can press the music. Oh, look, whenever I press the music. Okay. Oh, little fishies. This is fun. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that's the sound mode, okay. Anyways, let me connect through the app real quick. That way I can show you the scenes close up and how they look. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so I pull up the Govee app right here and I click plus on the top right. Look, there you go. I'm going to click add on device and we are going to connect. I have to short press the on and off button, so let's do that. I'm gonna keep the light name. I'm gonna connect to the internet, but I'm kind of doing that off screen so you don't see my password. And then right here, let's take a look, turn device on. Wow, okay, here is the Govee app homepage. Look at all of this. This is a busy screen. Okay, let's start off and kind of click on each section right here. What is this? Okay, so these look like little tool screens, such as, oh, okay, so this is like the weather, the time, different things like that. So more tool friendly stuff. Here's the Bitcoin. Oh, there's countdowns and timers on it. That is nice and useful. Okay, and here are all the scenes. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of scenes. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through this and y'all feel free to pause at any moment to kind of see where we're at. Like I said, so many different scenes. Oh, okay, well, we already got an upgrade. So let's do the upgrade real quick. That's awesome. I love it when we get a brand new product and an upgrade is ready. Okay, did the upgrade. Let's continue to look at these scenes and everything else. Okay, here are music mode scenes. We'll definitely take a look at all these later. Okay, this right here, after doing a little bit more of research, these are kind of like playlist or slideshows, you can say. Each one is a certain category of visuals and it kind of scrolls through it. So you can like put all your favorite outdoors ones or your favorite like emoji ones or something like that. So it's kind of like a playlist where you can kind of pre-make something. Here's the share space where these have the scenes that people have made. A lot of the Govee ambassadors have gotten this early, so they have already created stuff. The DIY, this is where you can do the GIFs and stuff like that. Then we got drawing with your hand, and the AI where you ask it to do stuff. Over here is like their timers and typical stuff like that. Under your settings, here's all the typical, okay, I can change it from Fahrenheit or Celsius to Fahrenheit, so that's kind of nice. Yeah. Well, looking through the app, there are a lot more options that I'm used to with customization, with the scenes, with music modes and things like that. But now comes my favorite part of the video. Let's take a look at those scenes, the music modes, the AI, and let's have a good time watching it. Well guys, after playing around with the features, this is super cool. I'll admit on the AI mode, even though the possibilities are endless, it seems to have a hard time understanding cultural references. Like I'll put Gears of War and it puts regular soldiers with like literal gears on them. You know, that's just one example. So just understand that whenever it comes to cultural references and AI, it might not get it. But also where the possibilities are endless is you can insert GIFs into it, which you can find so many cool GIFs. You can find some longer ones, some shorter ones, and that's where you can find certain things from video games and stuff like that. But guys, this is really cool. So like I said, they have a smaller version and this version ranging from $120 to $140. You can pre-order it right now on the Govee app for a cheaper price. I want to say this actually comes out, it's the 14th of May, in 5 days. I think this comes out in 5 days. And it's such a cool product. But anyways, guys, that is the Govee Gaming Pixel Light. I hope y'all enjoyed looking at all the different effects and scenes and stuff like that. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I am going to look at doing a short form video and maybe another longer form video just showing the effects. What I might do is if y'all want to leave comments of different games, different movies, different images, different popular cultural things in the comments, I might see about adding one of those images or moving images on the Gaming Pixel Light in my next video. So I'll probably make a dedicated section and I'll do as many as I can showing off what those images look like if you want to leave a comment. But yeah, guys, love y'all.
It's here.